Hello, I'm Tanu and you're watching Inqua News. In a significant development, the Vasco Judicial Magistrate First Class Court has granted bail to Gautam Khattar in connection with the case involving alleged derogatory remarks against Saint Francis Xavier. The case had sparked public attention and concern among the faithful. While Khattar has secured bail, authorities have confirmed that the investigation is ongoing to assess the full circumstances surrounding the incident.
म्हाका खूब बरें दिसलें बेल ऑप्शन ग्रांट जाली कित्याक थोडे फावटी हार्डवर्क आसता पळय तो इट पेस आफ्टर यू गेट एन ऑर्डर. आमचें काम आमी केल्लेंच. आमी बेल फायल केली 29 30 ती आमी आर्ग्युमेंटां दवरिल्ली आनी आज ताजो रिमांड कम ऑर्डर्स आशिल्ले. सकाळीं मॅडमीन थोडी क्लॅरिफिकेशन्स घेतली आमचे कडल्यान. इंटरवेन्शनूय आयिल्लें सो इंटरव्युनरा कडल्यानूय आर्ग्युमेंट्स जाले आनीक सांजची आतां ऑर्डरीक आशिल्ली. आतां ऑर्डर अलाव जाल्या बेल एप्लिकेशन 15,000ची 2 शुअरिटी सांगल्यात. थोडी कंडिशन्स कोर्टान इम्पोज केल्यात आनीक तातूंत बेल एप्लिकेशन
कितें कंडिशन्स आसा ती
15,000च्यो 2 शुअरिटीज सांगल्यात. गौतमाचे 2 रिलेटिव्साचे लोकल नंबर्स आनी एड्रेसीस दिवपाक लायल्यात आनी ताका नॉट टू लीव द कंट्री सांगल्या आनीक नॉट टू रिपीट ऑफेन्सीस अशें म्हणून एक कंडिशन आसा. सो बी कंप्लायड.
ही ऑर्डर सकाळीं शेनवारा सकाळीं आयज जावपा आशिल्ली पूण खंय तरी 10, 12:30, 2:30. सो वॉट वर द हर्डल्स दॅट
हर्डल्स अशी नाशिल्ल्यो त्यो. तातूंत कितें जालें 2-3 सिच्युएशन्स आयली. एक म्हणल्यार गौतमाक आज सकाळीं प्रोड्यूस करपा आशिल्लो. गौतमाक प्रोडक्शन जायना जालें बिकॉज इज इन GMC. इफ आय एम नॉट रॉंग इज इन GMC. सो त्या खातीर तो सकाळीं प्रोडक्शन मॅडमीन आपल्याक क्लॅरिटी मागली की बाबा तो खंय आसा तो आपल्याक कळय कारण तो आज कोर्टा मुखार येवपा आशिल्लो. तो येवना म्हणल्यार कित्या खातीर येवना. सो हें क्लॅरिफिकेशन कोर्टा मुखार येता म्हळ्यार सादारण ऑलमोस्ट 12:30 वरां जालीं दनपारची. सो ताजे फाटल्यान मॅडमीन ती क्लॅरिफिकेशन्स घेतली आनी पुलिसांनी आज JC मागिल्ली. आज रिमांड आशिल्लो सो पुलिसांनी JC मागली. सो ते JC रिमांड आनी क्लॅरिफिकेशन्स घेवन ताजे फाटल्यान तेणें 2:30 रायटली 2:30 ऑर्डर.
what grounds they have accepted this bill?
I have not read the order as of yet. It is to be. It might have been uploaded also, but I have not gone through the order. But our basic contention, I can only tell you that we are ready to cooperate in any which ways, whatever it is. And this investigation does not require any more custody. So might be on those counts court might have considered our submission. But I cannot opine in the sense I have not read the order.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Today there was a bail hearing of Gautam Khattar. What is the decision? What is the decision now?
Yeah, matter was in the morning at 10 a.m. Then it was kept at 12 p.m. Then finally at 2:30 now the matter was called out. We are for the interveners, and despite intervention, the bail has been granted. He has been granted bail on 30,000 surety, 15,000 two sureties in like amount, and he has to furnish 2 addresses of these local sureties, and he cannot travel outside India without the permission of the court. And of course the regular conditions are also there where he cannot intimidate anybody, he cannot destroy evidence. Those regular conditions are there, but one of the main conditions is that 30,000 he has to furnish as surety today only. If he does not furnish it today, then he will not be able to come out of the custody. Only after furnishing he will be able to come out of the custody. But despite the bail being granted, anyway bail is rule, we understand that, but despite bail being granted, the investigation is still on. He will still have to join the investigation whenever the investigating agency requires him to, and we will also be assisting the investigating agency being for the original complainant, and even at the time of the trial we will be intervening in the trial as well, maybe under 302 or so, 301 maybe CRPC, where we will be assisting the prosecution. So at that time we will fully support the prosecution. Today also the prosecution had sought for JC, judicial custody. So since the crime branch prosecution has asked for judicial custody, so perhaps that is also one of the reasons why the bail came to be granted.